I guess it is the sprocket one. In a box of 20 sprockets, 5 are broken. Picking sprockets randomly, ... How many ways can 4 sprockets be picked? So this is another cookbook problem. Notice we're starting off with how many ways, then we get to a probability, then we do another how many ways, then we do some probabilities. So what do you think for part A? In part A? It doesn't matter. You're just reaching in the box and you're picking out 4. You don't care if they're broken or not. In part A. That's a combination. How many total sprockets are there? And how many are you picking? What's the combination of 20 sprockets taken 4 at a time? Did anyone else get that? That sounds familiar. Are you good? Okay.
How do you get that again?
In the calculator, you'll do 20, you'll go to math, scroll over to PRB, select NCR for combination, and then type in 4, and that'll give you 48, 45. The other way is magic. Part B. How many ways can all 4 of the sprockets selected be broken? Yeah, it's going to be a combination of how many sprockets are broken and how many are we selecting? 4. I think that's just 5, but I'm not sure. Is that 5? Thanks. Be good so far? Part C, what is the probability that all 4 are broken? Well, probability is part over whole. The numerator will represent the total number of ways that all 4 are broken. Numerator will represent the total number of ways that all 4 are broken. 5. The denominator represents the number of ways to pick 4 sprockets. There you go. 5 over 48, 45. What does that reduce to? 1 over 900 something something. So part B was all 4 of them are broken. Part D are exactly 2 of them are broken. Remember, we're picking 4. So part D really means 2 of them are broken and 2 are not. So how many ways can we pick 2 to be broken? Yeah. So out of the 5, we're picking 2 of them. And how many are not broken? How many are not broken in the box? 15, 20 minus 5. So out of the 15 that are not broken, how many do we want? 2. Just going to move this over real quick. So again, 5 choose 2 is out of the 5 that are broken, we're picking 2 of them. 15 choose 2 out of the 15 that are not broken, we're picking 2 of them. We're multiplying there because and is implied. 2 broken and 2 not broken. What is 5 choose 2 times 15 choose 2? I have no idea. Did anyone else get that? 1050? Eye out. Part E, what is the probability that exactly 2 of them are broken? The numerator will represent the number of ways that 2 of them picked are broken, which is, boop. Yeah.
That's 2 out of 15.
Where at? Exactly 2 of them are broken. So you're picking, no, 2 out of the 4 picked I should have there. What is the probability that exactly 2 out of the 4 picked of them are broken? So 1050 over, how many total ways can you pick 4 sprockets? 48, 45. How does that reduce? 78 over 323? Oh, 70? Thanks. Boop. F. What is the probability that at least 2 of them are broken? At least 2 of the 4. At least 2. Anytime you hear at least, at most, greater than, or less than, you want to think of in terms of the word exactly. At least 2 means exactly 2 of them are broken, or exactly 3 of them are broken, or exactly 4 of them are broken. Why do we stop at 4? We're only picking 4. We want at least 2. At least means greater than or equal to 2. Is that okay? So part E is built into part F. And what does the OR say to do? Add. So these are going to be plus signs here. And this is going to be all over what? 4, 8, 4, 5. We're going to do this together. Now you can make this into 3 fractions. I'm just going to do it into 1. Because they're all going to have the same denominator. So exactly 2 was a combination of 5, 2, and 15. Let me make that neater. 15, 2. So again, the 5, 2 meant out of the 5 that were broken, we're picking 2. Out of the 15 that were not, we're picking 2. So who wants to tell me the setup for exactly 3? Meaning 3 of them are broken, 1 of them is not. Oh, yeah. Oh, you guys tag team there. I see what you did. So out of the 5 that are broken, we want 3. And out of the 15 that are not, we want 1. Plus exactly 4. And then technically this is redundant here to say 15, 0. because combination of 15 zeros is just 1. But just so we have the pattern, I'm going to write that in there. So it says out of the 5 that are broken, we're picking 4. And out of the 15 that are not, we're picking 0. And notice that's just part B's answer. Questions on the setup? Okay. So we already got exactly 2 was the 1050. That was part D. We already have exactly 4 is part B. That was 5. What is exactly 3 is going to be here? Can anyone else confirm that just to make sure? $150. So 1050 plus 150 plus 5 is 1205. So 1205 over 48, 45. So we're going to be seeing this phrase at least, at most, less than, greater than, a lot. So when you're doing any of those inequalities, you want to write them in terms of exactly. It makes your life a little bit easier. And the word or goes in between there, which means addition. So the next couple of sections we'll be seeing that. So yeah, what is that reduced? 241? Thank you. Reduced.